Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable rows and column in Microsoft Excel. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly, before starting, let me explain you what exactly a column and a row is in Excel. So the vertical line that you see right over here is called as a column and the horizontal line over here is called a row. Now to add a column and a row is very easy. So let's say you want to add a column between B and between column C. So if you want to add a column between B and C, so you have to choose C1 over here because the column that you will highlight over here, and then all you have to do is just simply right click, then just simply click on insert, and the new column will always form on the left hand side of the column that you've already selected. So let's say I want to add a row, so just simply highlight a row like this, then right click and insert. If you'll insert a row, it will go upwards, as you can see right over here. So if I want to add another row between 4 and 3, again highlight 4, then insert, and now I will have another row between that, as you can see right over here. And if you want to delete a column, again just simply highlight that particular column, then delete. Same goes for the row as well, highlight, delete. So that's it. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.